Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt, in case you don't know who I am. Welcome to this YouTube channel where we talk about day trading futures. So today's video is a recap of the day, what happened during the stream, and what has happened after the stream, just so you are caught up on what's going on. This is step 2 of the Top Step Trader Combine, day 1. If you're interested in what Top Step is and why I'm doing it in order to earn a funded account, it is linked down below. It says earn a funded trader account. You can click that, read about it, and learn more. Additionally, you can join the free chat, which is linked down below. So on stream, we stream live every Monday through Friday, every morning at 8:30 Central Market Open. We took a lot of trades this morning, as you can see here. So a lot of trades, some winners, some losers. Basically up until this point right here, where my mouse is, was about $540 or so. Then the day, we took a trade long here looking to get into the range of yesterday, up into the 70s. This long quickly went against us, and we tried 3 ads. Really, the idea was we were going to continue this range play, bounce off this range, and get long. What we saw instead was consolidation underneath, and then we broke the consolidation low. So where we exited, we actually got short immediately after. Seeing a lot of sellers and momentum coming into the sell here. So we actually got short, flipped short, which I rarely do, but it seemed like the right call. The stream ended here. We flipped short off stream here, which is why we're filming this video. Immediately got like $1,200 or something up in profit here. Took a little bit of a pullback, but look at this beautiful rounded top here, right off the camera, and then this nice bear hammer to send us into new lows. So we actually got out at 1146, which is where some volume is here, bringing us to $1,003 on the day profit. So total $3,880 of profitable trades, $2,800 of losing trades. This is not ideal, this average losing trade being bigger than my average winning trade, but we are 61% on the day, so that's why we are green. Overall, it was a little shaky, right? So $1,000. As you can see here, we have dumped nicely another 40, almost 50, like 60 points since we exited. So could have basically doubled our money. That's okay. There's always going to be that trade, right? But for day 1 of step 1, what we're looking to do is just get some money in the pocket. This was an excellent flip short. Obviously, could have waited a little bit, maybe exited and gotten back in. Hindsight says so. That's a really tough play, but if you got short off of this, that was a beautiful, beautiful short for over 100 points on the Nasdaq. So that is the recap of the day. What we were looking at, again, breaking this previous low after the consolidation period was our exit. Seeing nice momentum of sellers coming through was our add short. So this nice long red line came in before the price had even moved, so we got short, and then we rode it down, targeting volume. So that's the trade. That's what it is. If you enjoy these trade recaps, make sure and press the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Again, we trade live every Monday through Friday, every morning, Monday through Friday at 8:30 Central. So come hang out on stream, and I will see you on Twitter at TradesByMatt and in the free group chat, which is linked down below. Have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend, and I will see you next time. Peace.